Fire, yeah, human nature, human nature, human nature, human nature, no, human nature, yeah, human nature, human nature, ooh, shit ain't true, no, human nature, why, ay. They call me JB, I'm the one and only. You don't need to be like me. Folky, I know you ain't focused, but you got it in my eye. And if I had to say my human nature different, right? I got some good pride and people wanna lie. Let's just go out here and you gon' get my own vibe. You don't need to be like you be saying alright. I'ma be out here, I'm too freaking bright. I'm cold like Kobe, shooting my three. I don't even have to hold you back and plead. You never gon' have to see, but they don't know. But focus, I got all my life in the soul. Like you don't even know why. And if I had to take it back in time, let's just talk about Michael Jackson now. His human nature the best since I'm running out, so like, yeah, MJ, back, JB, Kings, you know what to do. When I'm in my focus, when I'm in my grind too. You know I can't be on YouTube, but I am, and as a matter of fact, I'm gonna rap too. You know, I don't need to be like everyone else trying to call me, call that. Get out my homie, I don't need to shut you down, shut you up, but I'm already up on right now. And if I need to shut my mind, shut my grind, shut it before I die. And if I have to put it like this, like human nature, that human mind, this might make it like this, and I ain't make no this, but try it all again. Yeah, I know I gotta be risking pussy. Way back then when you did some hitting, back to the flow with my flow. And if I had to be like this moment, I can't let go, not at all. You know we focus on the rounds. You don't need to say what you want at all, but let's focus on my music right now. Write it down like the people talking right now. If you ain't on my ground, we good. Talking back focus when you don't even know me. And everyone else trying to call you my homie. Hey, I'm not done, but I know when I get it. Hey, yeah. Yeah, was back, alright. Gotta leave me only 2 seconds left. Why? Hi.